Lagos just got its first Museum of Illusion, and I have to see it for myself. Hi guys, so today we're going to be visiting the first ever Museum of Illusion in West Africa. Yes, bragging rights. Where else should it be located if not Nigeria? I'm just kidding, I'm just messing around. So today we're going to be exploring the Museum of Illusion in Lagos. It is located at Garnet Plaza, Lekki Peninsula 2, and I'm on my way there right now. It's currently 12:29 a.m. right now. So I booked my ticket because you have to make a booking before you go in. You cannot just walk in to go and explore the museum. There are reasons for that, I don't know, but when I get there I'm going to ask the tour guides. I'm going to ask the people that are working there, why does one have to book before they come in? So before you go there to explore the museum, you have to book your tickets online. I think the Instagram page has been taken down because I was trying to book my ticket yesterday and I couldn't find the Instagram page. I don't know, maybe by the time you're seeing this video, maybe the Instagram page would be back, but I connected to them through TikTok, Illusions Zone. Check for that on TikTok, and then you'll see a link on how you can book. From that link, you book your ticket. They charge per hour, so for 1 hour it is 15,900 for 1 hour. I feel like 1 hour is going to be enough for you to explore the museum. I don't know, but we'll see when we get there. I'm going to time everything. I'm going to give you guys all the details you need to explore or to visit the Museum of Illusion. So I'm going there to make things better for you and for you not to make certain mistakes when you're about to visit or to explore the museum. So the first thing you're going to do is to book your ticket online, and you select a time that you want for your exploration or for your tour. So I chose 1 p.m. but currently is 12:31 p.m. right now, and I got an email from them this morning saying if I have any changes to my booking, I should please let them know on WhatsApp. So I have communicated with them and I have rescheduled my booking for 1:30. Hopefully I get to Garnet Plaza by 1:30 p.m. and I'm able to explore the museum for 1 hour. I hope it doesn't exceed 1 hour, because if it exceeds 1 hour, I'm going to have to pay some more money to explore more, because it is charged per hour. So I've been to the Museum of Illusion in Kenya, right, and I'm so excited to explore the Museum of Illusion in Lagos, Nigeria, because I had an amazing time in Kenya exploring the Museum of Illusion. I want to see what this museum here in Lagos looks like. Maybe a little comparison. This video is not to make comparisons. Actually, this video is to just go and explore the Museum of Illusion, and to also show you guys that you don't need to wait to the point where you have to travel out of your country to explore or see things. You can actually explore from within your country, and this is like a budget-friendly tour. This is like a budget-friendly exploration. 15,000. I think it's gonna be worth it. I don't know, I think it's gonna be worth it. But let's get to the museum. I'm currently on the Third Milan Bridge right now. Let's get to the museum and we get straight into the tour. If you're just new on my page, you're welcome to my channel. I go by the name Isabi Waka, and I'm just a girl traveling with a backpack trying to explore the world before I'm 45. I document my travels here on YouTube. I've been to 5 countries, and you can check out my vlogs. Trust me, you're on the right page. I think we're gonna make it on time. Yay! It's 12:56 right now, and it says on the Uber app that we have 18 minutes to destination. So yes, we're gonna make it on time. Hopefully.
Your destination is on the left.
So guys, I think the Museum of Illusion is in here. As we made it on time. It's 1:14. I have about 60 minutes before the commencement of my tour, so we made it on time. Thank God I moved a little bit by 30 minutes. I'm so happy that I made it here on time. Come down. Let me ask. I need to ask like a security or something. This is Garnet, but where is the museum? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Let me ask somebody. I saw security. Hi, good afternoon. Please, I'm going to the Museum of Illusion. This way. Okay, thank you. Hi, good afternoon. Please, I'm going to the Museum of Illusion. So guys, you need to sign in first. To sign in. Okay, thank you. Upstairs, yeah?
Second floor.
Second floor. Okay, thank you. On the right. Okay, thank you. This is first floor, second floor on the right. Okay. How do I figure out where I'm going to? I don't even know. I think I'm going to Museum of Illusion. Okay, this one. Oh, we're twinning hairstyle. Ooh. Yeah. You said? Ada. Boy. Yes. Guys, we need to try. Enter the illusion. Huh? No?
No, I mean, like, from down. Yeah.
There's a rules here. No running, no climbing on structures, no touching mirrors or glass.
It's called the Infinity Corner.
Okay.
ITS school. I'm going to there's a
Okay, which of this is the real Mary?
you have to find out yourself.
Huh?
You have to see the answer.
This is the mirror. Did I get it?
Yes.
On the first trial.
Yeah.
This is a mirror too.
Mm-hmm.
But this is a passage.
Yeah.
Okay. So I continue. Where am I going to? I don't know. This is another passageway. That's crazy. Yeah, this is a mirror. This is a mirror. This also is a mirror. And this is a passageway. So we have to go back out. Mirror passageway. Go back out. Infinity tunnel.
Yes.
So this is the infinity tunnel that we just entered through right now.
I'm going to take shows. This is the play table.
Okay.
So the idea you can sit here and then take a picture of each other. You must guys.
Okay, yeah, I know this. They have it in Kenya too.
Very easy. Allow me to.
So this is the clone table. Oh, this is different. They have like cards. They have what? Very what's the word I'm gonna use? Very creative. The one in Kenya has nothing on the table, just the windows. Oh yeah, very creative.
You come to the site to take a picture.
Okay.
Yeah, this is kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope.
Put your head through here.
Okay.
Then you take the picture from this other side.
Okay. Thank you. It's
Paradox box.
okay.
That you use to about it too.
Okay. Multiple mirrors arranged at precise angles reflect your face repeatedly from different directions because your head sits at the center. So the paradox box. Okay. So guys, this is the infinity room and you can see different images of me, but peep the outfit. It's given. Ooh. So this is the infinity room. You get like different images of yourself, like an infinity of images. I can see myself. I'm like 1,000 Aisabi workers in one room. Hello, hi over there. He bossed too. He bossed too. Okay, yeah. So this is the infinity room. Yeah, I like this. I think this is one of my favorites though. I think so.
You guys can switch. Can switch. Yeah.
I'm not sure.
The right chair. So one person sit or squat here. Then
Then you stand here. Yeah.
okay.
So you just look down. The illusion is that this will create a chair and the person here will look a lot smaller.
Okay.
And the other person front.
Another
It's okay. Perfect.
So far so good. I've spent about 15 minutes because it's 1:45 right now, and the last part remaining is the play area and then the jellyfish room according to the tour guide. So this is the last part. So I think 1 hour should be enough for you to explore or tour the Museum of Illusion, Lagos State, Nigeria. So guys, this is the play area. See, and then we play. Okay, whatever you do with your hands.
Yeah, then you can also put on your face as well.
You can put on your face.
Yeah.
Yes, it's shame. You can put your hands. Yes, nice.
Okay.
Imo State. Okay. I have a question for you. Why is it that we have to book online before we come here? Why can't we walk in?
They walk on, so you can walk there as well.
You can walk in.
It's better to book online, so you know the time is so not so busy.
Okay. And so if somebody exceeds 1 hour, they have to pay another.
No, if you just want to get some things done around the cover, it's fine.
Okay.
It doesn't necessarily have to just give you the. You can just get some things done, finish it, and that's.
Alright.
So that is what is it called? Jellyfish room. Okay, yes, this is the jellyfish room. Yeah. I think this is the most aesthetic and the infinity room. I like this part of the infinity room very much. Yeah. We've come to the end of the vlog. This is the last place in the Museum of Illusion. Sadly, it's really small compared to the one in Kenya. The one in Kenya can take about 2 hours, 3 hours to explore all of it, and it has like a lot of activities to do. But we still have something in West Africa, so it's a start. Oh yeah, I had a good time. I had fun exploring the Museum of Illusion, and you should come and see for yourself. Say yes.
Okay, let's head out. There's an exit here. Exactly 2:09, so less than an hour to explore the museum. About 39 minutes to explore the museum. It was a fun experience. Abby. So we've officially come to today's episode of Exploring Lagos on a Budget. I'm about to sign out, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.